Oh my gosh. I'm so hungry. Is there anyone else of you hungry? I could go for a bite to eat, but I have to admit, it's pretty late. Midnight snack. It's not midnight, but I guess we could at least have some small things. Okay, well, let's see. I'm gonna go to the fridge to see what we got. We got berries. They make him crazy. We got grapes, make him crazy. We got everything that makes him crazy. Nothing that does not make him crazy. Bad news, we have nothing in the fridge. Everything's empty. Oh, let me go check. I'm gonna go see. Yeah. Yeah. No way, berries! 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 No, dude, you know they make you crazy. That's why we're not gonna have any. No! We must have the berries! Yeah. Yeah. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Yum! 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 Mm. 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 That was really great. Yum. Oh no. Oh no, here we go. He's going crazy. Whoopee! Ow, my face. Okay, let me get some raspberries. Yeah, have some. Mmm. 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 So good. Mmm. This is really good. I don't know, I love these berries, but I hate that they make him go crazy. Cuckoo nuts. I'm gonna go see if he's okay. Probably not. You okay? Whoa! Stop it! Get off me! Get off! Ah! Ow, my face! Oh my gosh. Oh, that hurt. You know what we need to do. Yeah, I know what we need to do. Okay. I forgot what we're talking about. Dude, it's the gun. We need to get the gun. We're gonna give him the gun. Okay. Open it. Dun 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 dun. I'm so glad we got a mystery box. Yeah, and it works. Yes, sir. Wait, what are you doing with that gun? Bang! Yeah! Ow! You deserve it. The gun. Every time you're bad, you get the gun. Get the pow pow. Ugh, I'm so bored. Ugh. Aren't we always bored? Yes, we're always bored. That's why I'm always looking for something to do. Yeah. He ate too many cranberries, which made him go uninvestigated. What's that? It's when someone gets dizzy and when they eat too many berries. Any type of berries makes them really dizzy. Yeah! Ow! You know, good gun. And it's my turn. Okay, whatever you say. Ah! And stop being such a creepo. Dude, I'm gonna go watch a movie on my computer. I mean laptop. Oh, you know what I mean. Love my computer. Well, okay then, fine. Go do your computer. I'm gonna be having fun with the gun. You know, 'cause it's so fun and everything. I just have to keep playing with it. Yeah, blah, 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 I don't care. I'm gonna watch a movie on my laptop. You're just jealous. Jealous that I'm gonna have fun. Ah! Hey, you like it now, boy? Yeah. Turn your stupid thing off. It make you brain rot. No, stop it! Leave it alone now! You watch too much movie on blah. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Ah! Oh man. And that's why ow, my foot is stuck on the laptop. Now before I end this video, I have something to tell you. That's why you never, ever eat too many cranberries. Because of course you'll get sick. Oh, and Mr. Lego Man would love to do a speech for you. Hey, I don't get no dramatic lighting. That's better. Now, I have a speech to tell you. Hey, give me my dramatic lighting back. I need it. Now keep it. Cranberries. Why cranberries? Why did it have to be cranberries? Why couldn't it be apples or fruit? It had to be cranberries that made you go crazy. Cranberries are the most delicious thing in the world. And now they made people mad. Oh my gosh. I ate a little bit of cranberries, but don't judge me. Cranberries is what makes us very terrible. Cranberries. Why cranberries? Why can it be something other? I love cranberries. Why did it have to be cranberries? Why can it be something else? I love cranberries. I thank you for this lovely time for me to give you my speech. I thank you.